it's Pam with Organizer AZ 911 here with another episode of my Fab or Flop series. And if you've been watching these in the past, you know that with my Fab or Flop series, I often go and I test out either organizing hacks or cleaning hacks, or sometimes I'll even try out products that I find in the stores to see if they are truly a fabulous idea or a flop of an idea. Okay, and on this week's episode, I want to do a product test and see if it really works. And the product I'm going to test this week are these window wipes. Okay, my amazing trainer, Christy, she was at the Dollar Tree and she came across these and she said they worked pretty darn well. So I cannot wait to give it a try. I've been looking for something to wipe my windows down. I live in the desert where we always have constant dust, and then add the monsoon season where it turns the dust to mud on my windows. And I just want something in between that, in between car washes that I can wipe the windows down with. So I'm gonna give this a try and see if it works and not leave streaks all over my window like every other wipe that I've found so far. Okay, and when I was at the Dollar Tree, I happened to also find this bag of wipes for electronics. Now I own a Mac and I gotta tell you, the screen is really nasty with all my fingerprints all over it. So I want to give these wipes a try on that and see how well they work cleaning up my computer screen. And while I'm at it, I might as well do my phone screen as well. So we will see if these two products are truly fabulous products or flop products. Now before I put these to the test, I want to make sure I use them correctly, so I'm going to read the directions on the back and make sure that we use these properly. Oh, this is interesting. They've got a list of warnings right up at the top of this here. Do not use on vehicle steering wheel grips, pedals, bench, or cycle seats. Well, that's good to know. I won't use it on my steering wheel. Use in a well-ventilated area. I'm sensing some fumes in these bags. Do not use on fabric, clear plastic, or paint. Okay. Do not expose the wipes to direct sunlight or place them in the refrigerator. People really place these things in their refrigerator? Does that need to be included in a warning? Maybe the glass shelves? Okay, maybe. Do not use for personal hygiene. Really? You have to warn me not to use window wipes for that? Do they put the same warning on Windex bottles? Do not use for personal hygiene. Duh! Not for use on people or animals. It says window wipes. May cause eye irritation. That's in case I want to remove my makeup with it, right? Let's see. Wash hands after use. In case of eye contact, immediately flush eyes with water for at least 15 minutes and call a physician. I'm going to wear some gloves using this just as a precaution. Okay, the directions. Here it says open pouch by peeling back the seal. Do not peel the seal all the way off. Remove wipe from center of pouch. Reseal pouch to retain moisture. Dispose of used wipes in trash receptacle. And then do not discard the wipes in a toilet. Alrighty, I think that's simple enough to use and kind of self-explanatory. Let's give it a try. Okay, this is the windshield I'm gonna test this out on. I don't know if you can kind of see at an angle. I'm trying to get at different angles. There's a lot of water drop spots here. Let me go on the outside. Maybe you can see them a little bit. Here's here. You can see them really clearly. All the water drop marks. Okay, got my glove just because they were saying it had all sorts of possible dangers. Okay. It's not that pungent. For all the warnings about the well-ventilated area, not very pungent at all. Let's give it a try. Okay, now let's try the electronic wipes that I found at the Dollar Tree. And let's check out the back for the instructions. Do not use for personal hygiene or as a baby wipe, because that's the first thing I'd buy is electronic wipes if I had to use it for a baby wipe. Out of reach of children or pets. Okay, so that's considerably a shorter list of warnings on this. Electronic wipes are the quick and easy way to safely clean electronics equipment. Our formula effectively eliminates static charges and repels harmful dust. It dries fast, it's anti-static, and streak-free shine. Clean the surfaces such as LCD screens, plasma screens, cell phones, touch screens, keyboards, remotes, electronics, glass, and metal. And it suggests testing it in an inconspicuous area. And it is not suitable for unsealed wood, marble, or granite. And it says to unplug electrical appliances before using. And then when the cleaning wipe gets dirty, I'll give you 3 guesses what they tell you to do. Throw it out in the trash, of course. So let's see how this works. Okay, and you can see how absolutely yucky my computer screen is. It's making me disgusted. I cannot wait to get it cleaned off. And then of course down here, see if we can get the reflection so you can see. Hello, I see the reflection of me. There, you can see all the fingerprints on the phone screen as well. So let's see how these work. Still not too pungent. Okay, it seems to have left streaks all over it, so I'm going to use a paper towel and wipe the rest off. Okay, that actually is much better. Okay, overall, these products do work and they do work well. Neither one was streak-free, but to the window wipes defense, it actually, when I look back at it, it does not say that it dries streak-free. So you'd probably have to wipe it off with some kind of paper towel, because like I said, it just left the streaks there. It left a lot of moisture on the window, and if you left that moisture sitting there, it was going to leave marks. But I gotta tell you, once I wiped the window cleaner off with a paper towel, just dried it, there were no streaks. It did a wonderful, wonderful job. So the window wipes cleaner from the Dollar Tree, I definitely give a fabulous rating because it did do a remarkable job on my window. Cleaned it so much easier than if I were using the spray bottle with the paper towel. Got all the streaks, all the fingerprints, all the dust, the dirt, everything. So thumbs up, fabulous on the window cleaner. Now for the computer, the electronics cleaner, did a fabulous job, left no streaks on my phone. However, my screen had horrible streaks all over it. Once I wiped those streaks off with a paper towel, it left it sparkly. So I'm gonna give this a half fab, half flop rating, okay? You do on both of these need to wipe it off with another rag, paper towel of some sort. Again, this doesn't claim it's streak-free. This one does. This one was not streak-free when I used it on my Mac screen, but it was streak-free on my phone. So, yeah, like I said, half fab, half flop. It shouldn't claim that it's streak-free, and then I'd give it a total fab rating, okay? So both of these are found at your Dollar Tree store. I highly recommend them. Again, some of the ridiculous warnings on them. They claim that there was fumes. I didn't smell anything, hardly anything. I mean, if you're in a real close quarters, you might smell something, but no more than like a Windex or something like that. Okay, so there you have it, a nice, inexpensive window cleaning and electronics cleaner that you can find at your Dollar Tree store. They are a fabulous product. Okay, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give me a fabulous thumbs up down there. Poke that like button below. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and poke that subscribe button as well and ring the bell so you know when I'm uploading new videos. I'm Pam with Organizer AZ911. I'll catch you next time.